Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to redeem a Steam gift card, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem gift cards on Steam, first open up a Steam app on your computer and log into your account, as I've already logged into my account over here. And after logging into our Steam account, guys, you can see we are on the store section of the Steam, and on this section at the top left corner you can see a bunch of icons are available for us. Click on the games icon over here just beside the help, and this kind of drop down menu will appear where you can see the redeem a Steam wallet code option available for us. Click on redeem a Steam wallet code and you'll land over here where you will be able to enter your Steam wallet code or gift code. You can see guys here it says if the gift card you attempt to redeem is not in your currency, it will be automatically converted if redeemable in your region. And with that being said, guys, enter the Steam wallet code over here from wherever you got it. And after entering your Steam wallet over here, click on the continue button over here just beside this box, and then that net amount of that gift card will be added to your Steam over here where it says the wallet balance. It will be shown over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to redeem a Steam gift card on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.